Thanks for joining. Today I have created this Indian festive makeup look for you, and this month, that is month October, and next month November, we have lot of Indian festivals. So I decided to do some Indian festive makeup look for my channel. Now I am going to do I think 2 or 3 Indian festive look, and this one is the first one of that series. Now for this look I have picked up this saffron kurti that I have in my vanity, and I think this saffron orange color, this color goes very well with any Indian festival. So I have picked up this color, and for my makeup I have tried to do something new today. So I hope you will enjoy this. Now I have keep it quite simple, not something very loud or not something very simple, something in between. And for my next two makeup tutorial I will also going to do on Indian festive makeup look, and for those two I will go for sari or lehenga, something like that. So if you want to see all these makeup tutorials and also other content of my channel, then please go subscribe and ring the bell. So guys, today this is the makeup I have created, and if you want to know how I have created this makeup look, then please continue watching. First, I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer on my face to blur all uneven texture of my skin.
Now today I have a small pimple here.
Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228, and I'm mixing it with Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion to have little dewy finish. For concealer, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade Sand Sable for first time. The coverage of this concealer is quite nice and it is not too heavy, but the shade is little too yellow for me and it gives little greyish tone under my eyes. To avoid this greyish tone next time, I will definitely apply an orange corrector under it. Now to set the concealer, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light, which covers my under eye greyish tone a little bit. To fill my brows, today I'm using Lakme 3D Brow Pencil in the shade Graphite. Now I have done a tutorial on brow filling, you can check that in this link. And to set my brows, today I'm using this brow gel in the shade Neutral Brown. Now to clean my brows, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand and drawing 2 lines above and below my brows with a shader brush and blending it very well. Today I'm using Nykaa Sweet Sundae eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this light coral shade and applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. Then I'm using this purple shade and I'm using it on the outer part of my eyelid. After that, I'm taking this golden shimmery shadow from Maybelline Brooklyn Bronze City Mini palette and applying it on the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm using this light pink shade from this Sweet Sundae palette and applying it along my lower lash line. Now again I'm taking this purple shade and I'm applying it on the outer part of my lower lash line, and then I'm curling my lashes and applying this Faces Canada Magneteyes mascara. For falsies, I'm using PAC 54 lashes, and today I'm using this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm bronzing my face with this, and also I'm using this to contour my nose. For eyes, I'm drawing very thin eyeliner today and I'm using Colorbar eyeliner for that, and I'm also using this Rimmel Landel eye pencil in the shade Nude on my lower waterline. Now is the time for blush, and first I'm using Sugar Coral Climax very little on my cheeks, and then Maybelline Fit Me Rose 30. Now guys, this golden shimmery shadow has huge fallout, so I'm using this glitter glue from Makeup Revolution over it. This glue covers that golden shadow, and then I'm using this shimmery golden shadow over the glue. To cover the under eye fallout, I'm using Maybelline Loose Powder. To line my lips guys, today I'm using Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy, and for lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Ultra Matte Bullet lipstick in the shade Helen. Now I want a little more warm on my face, so I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Dark Deep and also applying a little bit Maybelline blush. To set my face, I'm using NYX Dew Finish Setting Spray. Now it is the time of highlighter, and I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild Precious Petals on high points of my face and also my brow bones and inner corners of my eyes. So guys, I'm wrapping this video here, and if you're still with me, then definitely give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me, guys. And also, if you still not have subscribed, then please go and subscribe and also ring the bell to support my journey of YouTube, guys. See you soon in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.